Hey cleaning professionals, it's Alex with Tucker. In this video we'll talk about everything that comes in the Sörbo Trad Kit. Now that we have everything unboxed, now you can see what you get in your Sörbo Trad Kit. First we have our Tucker Sidekick. This features a collapse height of 3 feet, but when you extend all the clamps, it goes out to 6 feet, so that's perfect for first level cleaning. And it comes that you can use on our trad tools where it's friction fit and will stay on. Next up we have our Quicksilver channels. You'll get 2 in the kit. Your first one is the 14-inch Quicksilver channel and the 18-inch Quicksilver channel. And it's going to have these fixed lightweight handles for the squeegees. All you need to do is grab a screwdriver, loosen these up, and you can slide the channels through. Next we have our T-bars along with the yellow jacket sleeves. Here's your 14-inch and 18-inch. Also forgot to mention the channels, you also get your first replacement rubbers on us. These are the Sörbo rubbers that's specifically for the Sörbo channels. So you have your 18-inch and your 14-inch. You also get your Sörbo 18-inch bucket that also include clips for your tools. Next up over here are your bucket on the belt, so it can accommodate the T-bar with that yellow jacket scrubber on there, and places to hold your squeegee channels. Here's our Sörbo belt that you can slide that onto, and also you'll get the double loop Sörbo channel holder. Then we have 2 Sörbo products. We'll go over this one first. This is the Sörbo Squeegee Glide. This is going to help your squeegee glide across a lot easier on the glass, and also help keep your solution wetter for longer, especially if you're working in direct sunlight. Then we also have the Sörbo Hard Water Residue Remover. And along with that, you're going to get a 5-pack of our walnut pad. You can mix the solution. And both of these products, they have instructions on how to mix the solutions. And then you can use this to apply your hard water stain remover and work that solution on the glass. One thing I forgot to mention in the last segment, with all the things that come with the kit, here are end clips, a 12-pack of extra end clips that will go right here that hold your squeegee rubber into place. So in case you lose these out in the field, you have an extra pack on us. So here it is, complete, everything put together, your squeegee channels, your yellow jacket on the T-bars, bucket on the belt. This can accommodate your large scrubbers as well as your squeegee channels. Here's the Sörbo bucket with the tool clips. As you can see, it can accommodate squeegee channel there as well, and also your T-bar right there. And you have an additional one if you wanted to have more channels on there. Here's the Sörbo double loop holster, so you can accommodate squeegees there as well. Now this Sörbo belt will hold towel here. So maybe your big towel that you use to wipe up your ledges, and maybe your detailing towels, you can keep them separated, one here, and also you have another here. So this has been a quick overview of everything that comes in your Sörbo Trad Kit. If you have any further questions on this or any of our other products, feel free to reach out to us. The contact information in the description of this video. Take care and have a great day.